If you're looking for that pre-owned truck to do it all, check out this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT Crew Cab. Oh yeah, white in color, V8 power underneath the hood. It is four-wheel drive. We've got 20-inch aftermarket Moto metal wheels wrapped in all terrains. Inside, power driver seat, manual passenger seat, premium cloth. The center, guess what? That console flips up into a seat, so it's a six-seater. There we go, tongue-tied. Now, we've got a USB hubs, 12 volts of power, connectivity right here, climate control, radio control, and center stack. Also, yes, it does have a rear view camera. We also have different drive modes and switchable full-wheel drive right there. Shifter on the column, oh baby. And also on the instrument cluster, traditional gauges with a digital driver information station. In the back, total seating for six, three up front, three in the back. We do have our USB charging hubs here. Also 12 volts of power. Yes, cup holders for everybody else. A whole bunch of room for leg room, but check it out. We got a whole bunch of room for cargo here. Now, we got a coated bed, coated tailgate. We got our tie downs. We're ready for cargo in anywhere, the beach, anywhere you want to go. Why? Because this baby is four-wheel drive. So come on home to Payne Pre-Owned Weslaco for this pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 XLT Crew Cab. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have that pre-owned truck that you've got to have. Lo Que Tu Quieres, regardless.